When you are ready to apply a predefined or custom pricing rule, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Pricing, and select Automate Pricing. You will see a list of all the predefined and custom rules available to apply. Each rule will have columns for the rule name, rule type, a short summary of what the rule does, the marketplaces the rule is active in, the number of SKUs currently enrolled, the status of the rule, either active, processing, or inactive, and the action column. In the action column for all rules besides the Business Catalog rule by Amazon, you will see the Edit SKUs button. The Business Catalog rule by Amazon will show a Setup Rule button. This is because the rule applies to all SKUs in your catalog, including newly added SKUs across all marketplaces, excluding SKUs assigned to other business pricing rules and SKUs with business-only offers. To apply this rule, select Setup Rule. This will take you to the Review and Activate Rule page. Here you can learn more about the rule, set parameters for minimum price percentages, and add business discounts. Once you have completed the required fields, hit Save and Activate. The rule will show as processing in the Rule Status column. Once the status changes to active, this rule will apply to all applicable SKUs in your catalog. To apply all other rules, navigate back to the Automate Pricing page and select Edit SKUs in the Action column. Custom pricing rules will have an additional drop-down, which allows you to pause, edit, or delete your custom rule. The Competitive Price Rule by Amazon predefined rule can't be paused, edited, or deleted. Watch the Automate Pricing, Change or Remove a Pricing Rule video in Seller Central to learn how to edit a pricing rule, pause, resume or delete it, or review price history. Clicking Edit SKUs will take you to the Manage SKUs page, where you can enroll them one by one or in bulk. Pricing rules won't adjust any of your prices until you've added SKUs. To enroll SKUs one by one, select each individually and enter your minimum and maximum prices. You can think of these prices as bumpers. They let Automate Pricing adjust your prices based on the parameters of the rule, but only within a certain range. Note that only SKUs with a minimum price can be enrolled, so remember to complete this step. After you've set your minimum and maximum prices, select the drop-down menu in the Action column next to the SKU. Then select the rule you would like to apply in the Assign to Rules section and click Start Repricing in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. To enroll SKUs in bulk, check the boxes to the left of each SKU or click the topmost box to select all SKUs listed on the page. Next, select the Bulk Action drop-down menu and select the rule you want to apply in the Assign to Rules section. Select Start Repricing in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. Another way to enroll SKUs in bulk is from the page Manage SKUs in Bulk via Download and Upload Files. From that page, select Manage SKUs via File Upload. Use the Download Center tab to download a bulk template. You can choose a blank file or one that's pre-populated. The pre-populated file includes your top 500 to top 50,000 SKUs depending on the file size you select. It sorts SKUs by sales rank. We recommend using the pre-populated file, especially if you're not sure which SKUs you'd like to apply to the rule. Make your selections, then select Request Automate Pricing File. It can take a few hours for your spreadsheet to be ready for download, though most will be ready in a few minutes. Use the Refresh button to view the status. After you've completed the required fields in the downloaded file, save it as a TXT file. Then select the Upload Center tab, click Choose File, and after you've selected the one you want, click Upload Automate Pricing File. Like with the file download, the upload may take several minutes depending on the size. You may receive an error message if the required fields are completed incorrectly. Review the section Tips to Resolve Common Errors and reference the 15000 series error codes help page to troubleshoot. After you've corrected your spreadsheet, return to the Upload Center tab to upload it. Return to Manage SKUs in Bulk via Download and Upload Files at any point to assign more SKUs to this rule, move SKUs to different rules, change your minimum and maximum prices, or end repricing on a rule altogether. Whether one by one or in bulk, your SKUs will reprice after you select Start Repricing as long as you've entered a minimum price. The rule will also appear on the Automate Pricing page, so you can review and edit the SKUs you've assigned to it if needed.